When I tested the Ecovacs T50 Pro side by side with the Eufy S1, I thought I knew which one would win, until one of these vacuums did something almost no other robot I've tested can do. Stick around, because this small detail made a huge difference in my house. I've been testing the Ecovacs T50 Pro and the Eufy S1 for months now, along with about a dozen other robot vacuum mops. These are two of my favorites. Both are premium, all-in-one robots that promise to vacuum, mop, self-empty, self-clean, and basically replace you in all your floor care. Let's get into what they both do well and where they have some big differences. 1. Setup and apps. Both the Ecovacs and Eufy apps are top tier. Mapping is fast, custom room settings are easy, and you can set no-go zones, mop and vacuum only areas, and schedules. Setup was smooth with both robots, but I found Eufy's app slightly more intuitive to learn, while Ecovacs offers a bit more customization and control. 2. Obstacle avoidance and navigation. Both vacuums have very good obstacle avoidance. They steer around furniture, cords, toys, you name it. The Eufy S1 uses an AI camera system, while the T50 Pro has 3D smart navigation. In practice, they were pretty equal on my cluttered floors, both dodging 95% of obstacles and both occasionally getting snagged on a soccer cord. 3. Suction power and debris pickup. Though the Ecovacs has 15,000 PAs of suction to the Eufy's 8,000 PAs, both have truly excellent suction in practice. Whether it was cereal, baking mess, or everyday crumbs, each vacuum picked up almost everything, even in high traffic areas. The only time they failed is when their side brushes got a little too enthusiastic and flicked a crumb onto an already cleaned area. 4. Mopping performance. This is where things got interesting. Both bots offer real mopping, not just damp pad dragging. They scrub with pressure and can detect carpet, so they lift their mops and vacuum only. The T50 Pro's dual spinning mops can get up just about anything, from tracked in dirt to sticky messes. But from my tests, I think the Eufy S1's roller mop is a tiny bit better. It spins at high speeds and gets up stuck on messes that no other robot mop can tackle, like dried bits of banana or dried on pasta. 5. Speed test, which is faster. I timed them in my kitchen and dining room. Same layout, same conditions. The Eufy S1 finished vacuuming and mopping in 30 minutes. It took the T50 Pro 39 minutes. 9 minutes adds up in a busy household. 6. Edge and corner cleaning. This is where the T50 Pro pulled ahead. It has one of the only edge mopping systems I've seen that actually cleans that 1-inch gap along the baseboard. And it extends its side brushes into the corners and grabs crumbs that nearly every other robot leaves behind. If you care about truly clean edges, this is a game changer. 7. Full service stations. Both robots return to their docks and empty their dustbins, wash and dry their mop pads, and refill their water tanks. I can sometimes go a week or more without touching them. So which one wins? If you want speed and superior mopping, the Eufy S1 might be your match. But if you care about flawless edge cleaning, better corner coverage, and a bit more customization, the Ecovacs T50 Pro is hard to beat. Personally, I use them both, but because of the edge cleaning, the T50 Pro has become my go-to. I'll put links in the description below if you want to check them out. Like and subscribe for more product comparisons.